गोवा डेक आयज लंडन येयले इतलो गोवा डे बरो चलता तुम्ही एन्जॉय जाताय ती हांवें तुमकां पळयली सारकी नाचताय ती तितूंतलीच तुमकां हांवें ओडून हाडल्यात तुमकां कितें कशें दिसता गोवा डे गेल्या त्या वर्साचो आनी ह्या वर्साचो हाव यू फील इट
गेल्या वर्सा बरो आहलो एक फावट आमी येयला हांव हॉस्पिटलान येयला आनी जायतो क्रावड आहा शॉपाय जायती आहा आनी आमी खूब एन्जॉय जाली आनी लोक जायतो आहा
हांव पयले मोदे आहा ते आजून नाचत आसा ते नाचपाचे स्पिरिटार आहा तुका कशें दिसता आयज हो गोवा डे कसो दिसता नाका
गोवा डे म्हाका एकदम बरो लागला एकदम जोड
तू कितें सांगूंक सोदता
सेकंड टायम येयला ह्या गोवा डेयाक म्हाका चड बरो दिसता आनी म्हाका चड लायक जाला कित्याक जायतो क्रावड आहा आनी जायती स्टॉलां आहाय आनी म्हाका जायती म्हाजी आदली फ्रेंडां चड सारकी जेवली आनी चड एन्जॉय जाली थँक्यू आनी ह्या वर्सा गोवा डे बरो चलता आनी हांव जायती वर्सां जाली गोवा डेयाक येता लोक क्रावड चड आसा आनी ह्या वर्सा हांव नाचता आवय गे दुखता
They are the amigos. They are doing a fantastic job, and their team. Thank you for all your hard work from yesterday morning, and they are all prepared for our Goa people. There you go. They're a bit shy. Goa day, and you can see lots of stalls. But amigos did a very good job. They did a 3 stall in the original Goa day. I hope they are doing their best and hope they will last forever. Keep their hard work and make more money. Thank you so much, guys. आणि अशेंच तुम्ही करून गोंय कशें दिसता अशें सगळें एन्जॉय जावंक आमी विनंती करता. There you go. Thank you. This is the Amigos second bar, and you can see they are all ready for the serving for Goan Day, the original Goan Day, and it looks very fantastic. They are all prepared, and this is just the opening. It's not ready yet, so you can see this is the counter ones, and that is the menu. This is the organizers, and they have their team. They're all hidden. They can't see. They're a bit shy, and I think they're all ready for the. And this is the. You can see. I did the first one, and this is the second stall. You can see, and I'm hoping they will enjoy serving the drinks and making people very happy in their stall. There you go. Viva! Okay, this is the Amigos team. They put a stall for the UK Goan festival, and this is the Amigos team. They are organizer. This is the stall. They are the cashiers, and they have the store team to serve all the food and everyone. You can see lots of bar people hiding themselves. They are a bit shy and they're waiting for the customers. This is the just opening time. Rauta te customer घेवपाक, and maybe तेंका 2 उतरां सांगूंक जाय जाल्यार तेंच्यान सांगूं जाता. And it is nice to see them getting together for the bar, for Goan people to serve their drinks and making them happy for the Goan day. And you can see lots of team having their effort, making their effort for the Goan day to have lots of fun. Viva Goa.
Viva Goa, viva amigos.
And this is the Amigos team. You can see they're having fun. And look at them. And there we go. They are more than happy to serve themselves for the people. And you can see lots of drinks they have. Looks like they are in Goa, but they are in London. There you go.